Hi guys, hola chicos, Paula here. In today's lesson, we'll discuss how to introduce yourself, how to introduce someone else, and how to answer. ¿Estás listo? Empecemos. Let's begin with how to introduce yourself. Of course, it depends on your personality, whether you're a shy person or an easygoing one, and how much information you want to give. But the basics should be a greeting. It's always polite to greet when you are introducing yourself, your name, and if you like or feel like saying where are you from, that's good. I'm pointing this out because some people might feel uncomfortable or maybe annoyed when someone else asks him or her, where are you from? So if you want to say it, perfect. If not, that's totally fine. Another thing that you could say is, what's your profession? Where do you work? What do you do for a living? And if you feel like giving more information, you could say, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? All right? But how do you say all that? Let's break it down. For greeting, just by saying hola, hola, it's good enough. You are not making a conversation. The conversation will come later. But you are introducing yourself. So, hola, hola. If you want to add how are you, you could say ¿cómo estás? Or ¿cómo están? If you are introducing yourself to a group of people. Hola, ¿cómo están? And then your name. For giving your name, there are multiple options. You could say mi nombre es, my name is, mi nombre es Paula, mi nombre es Paula. You could also say me llamo Paula, me llamo Paula, which means I call myself Paula, all right? And notice that it's not me llamo es Paula, which is a common mistake, but me llamo and your name, me llamo Paula. And also soy and your name, soy Paula, I'm Paula, soy Paula. The most common way is using the verb ser, soy Paula. Then I would say me llamo Paula, and the least common is using mi nombre es Paula. That's how I use it, that's how I see it, that's what I've noticed, all right? If you want to say where are you from, de dónde eres, where are you from, de dónde eres. If you want to say de dónde eres, you could say soy de and your country. Soy de Venezuela. Soy de Venezuela. Or you could use your nationality and you could say soy and your nationality. Soy venezolana. Soy venezolano for masculine. Soy de Francia. Soy francés. Soy de Alemania. Soy alemana. Soy alemán. And so on and so forth. If you want to say your profession, we also use the verb ser here. Soy and your profession. Soy abogado. I'm a lawyer. Soy ingeniero. I'm an engineer. Soy doctor. I'm a doctor. Notice that we don't say un abogado, un doctor, but just the profession. Soy doctor. Soy abogado. Alright? And two possible questions that people might ask you and you should answer with your profession are: ¿a qué te dedicas? ¿A qué te dedicas? Or in a formal way, ¿a qué se dedica? ¿A qué te dedicas? ¿A qué se dedica? ¿En qué trabajas? ¿En qué trabajas? ¿En qué trabaja? In a formal way, ¿en qué trabaja? So you could say, soy cocinero, trabajo en un restaurante. Soy cocinero, trabajo en un restaurante. Soy ingeniero, trabajo desde casa. I work from home. Soy ingeniero, trabajo desde casa. And finally, to mention what do you like to do in your free time or what are your hobbies, we say me gusta and whatever you'd like to do. Me gusta escuchar música. Me gusta leer. Me gusta ver televisión. Me gusta estudiar. Me gusta viajar. Me gusta salir de compras. Alright? You get it? Nice. Now let's put all together and let me introduce myself. Hola, soy Paula, soy de Venezuela, soy ingeniera de sistemas y también profesora de español. Trabajo desde casa, me gusta viajar, me gusta escuchar música, compartir con mi familia, compartir con mis amigos, conocer nuevos lugares y me encanta comer. Now, if you are meeting a person or someone else is introducing you to a person, by saying a greeting, your name, and nice to meet you is good enough. So you could say, hola, soy Paula, mucho gusto. Or, un placer conocerte, un placer conocerlo in a formal way. Un gusto conocerte, un gusto conocerlo, again in a formal way. Hola, soy Paula, mucho gusto. Hola, soy Paula, un gusto conocerte. Hola, soy Paula, un placer conocerlo. And you shake your hands, alright? And the other person is gonna say exactly the same. Hola, mucho gusto. Or, mucho gusto conocerte. Or, el gusto es mío. El placer es mío. It's my pleasure. The pleasure is mine, alright? Gusto en conocerte, el gusto es mío, el placer es mío. Now, to introduce someone to someone else, you could say, te presento a, and the person. Te presento a. Or, le presento a, in a formal way. Le presento a. Te presento a mi esposa. Let me introduce you my wife. Le presento a mi mamá. Another way to say it is déjame presentarte a mi amigo, mi esposa, mi mamá. Déjame presentarte a. Or déjeme presentarle a mi esposa. Déjeme presentarle. It's a formal way. Déjeme presentarle a mi esposa. Or permíteme presentarte a. Permíteme presentarte a. Permítame presentarle a. That's way too formal, but you could use it. Permítame presentarle a mi esposa. All right. So that's it for today. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in the comments below. I'll be waiting for you. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time in the next video. Ciao!